Hi guys, it's Sweetit and I'm getting ready to do a pour, but I thought I would show you how I prepare the bottom of the bottle. Now this is a fairly small bottle and I got something. I just make a cut and then take my scissors and come in. Cut around the bottle. Use a pair of utility scissors, not anything good. And I'm using, there's a seam, I don't know if I can get yeah, you can sort of see, there's a seam right here. And I'm using that seam as my guideline for cutting. It's not absolutely imperative you get this perfectly level. Okay. All right. So I have the base now. So the next thing that I do is, I think I'm going to do something different. I'm going to cut here in the recesses. Like here's the hill, here's the hill. I'm going to cut in that valley. Is that what I want to do? That's what I'm going to do this time. We'll see how it works out. This is just an experiment. Sometimes on the rose pour, I cut at the base of the hills. I cut right here. Whereas right now I'm cutting in those valleys. So we'll see what happens. I'm just cutting a little V out of each one. And that's going to let the paint pour down into the middle. Let's see. Now, again, pouring over a bottle was not my idea. There are there's a lot of YouTube artists that are doing this. So I absolutely cannot take credit for the idea. I am stealing it from somebody, although I'm not sure who because so many people are doing it. And Anne-Marie Ruderhoff was the one that I didn't watch her video on how she makes her bases, but I noticed that she cuts some V's into them somewhere. So I'm not sure how she does that. She is the one that gave me the idea. Okay, now you put that in the center, and that's how you set up for one of those pours. Thanks.